Hi! Welcome to Tom's Magic English Classroom. Now that the summer vacation is coming to an end, it's time to do a short revision just before going back to school. I have some questions that I would like to ask you. After each question, you will have 10 seconds to answer it. If you need more time, just hit the space key. Are you ready? Then let's start. Question 1. What's your name? Question 2. How do you spell your name? Question 3. How old are you? Question 4. Where do you live? Question 5. What do you like to do for fun? Question 6. What can you do? Question 7. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Question 8. What day is today? Question 9. How is the weather today? Question 10. What time is it now? Now, your questions are going to get a bit more difficult. Let's start. Question 11. What did you do yesterday? Question 12. How did you spend your summer vacation? Question 13. Did you try any new foods? Question 14. Did you travel abroad? Question 15. What was the best part of your summer vacation? Question 16. Are you ready for school? Question 17. What color is your school bag? Question 18. What do you have in your school bag? Question 19. Which grade are you in this year? Question 20. Are you looking forward to going back to school? Well done. If you can answer more than 15 of these questions, you are ready to go back to school. I'll see you in the classroom soon.